Hello and welcome to Bert's Imperfect Bakes, the channel where it's okay to not bake perfectly every time. I'm Bert and this is part 2 of the Easter special and we're going to be making some chocolate cupcakes. Nom.
Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius fan, and we're going to start with the butter and sugar. All ingredients are listed in the description below, by the way. We're going to be using my electric whisk again, so once it's plugged in, obviously, give the butter and sugar a good whisking, like so, and then crack an egg into the bowl, obviously, not just randomly crack an egg. Give that another whisk. So much easier with electric whisk, who knew? Add some buttermilk, continue whisking, and then use your inflexible spatula to remove the excess from the bowl. Give it another whisk. Then add the flours and bicarb of soda into the sieve along with the cacao powder or cocoa powder, whichever one you're using. Smush those few bits in and then give that a stir with the metal spoon till everything's nice and homogeneous. And then use your inflexible spatula to scrape down the spoon, and then decide you need a more flexible spatula to do a better job. Then use that spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl and make sure everything's nicely mixed. Ta-da! Now in your baking tray with your cupcake cases, dollop a blob of cake batter into each cupcake case. And make sure you use all the batter up, you don't want to have any left over. Nicely does it. Pop them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And wait. Oh, tell your kitchen timer to set a timer, obviously. When they come out of the oven, check they're cooked by inserting your skewer into the centre. Comes out clean, definitely cooked. And to decorate, we're going to be using some chocolate ganache, which I've pre-made because I used it the other day to bake some other cakes for my manager for her birthday. So this ganache is just some chocolate melted together with some cream, double cream, mixed in, and there's a ganache. Dead easy. The description of how to do that is in the description below. Or rather, the instructions are in the description below. Top each cake with the ganache and smooth it out. Again, an art form, decorating cakes. Now I decided to grate some chocolate over the top of each one, some white chocolate that is, and made a mess of the surface in the process, but that's fine. And then I topped each one with a little chocolate egg to give it that extra special Easter touch. How pretty do they look? Oh, that one was falling off. And there you go. Ta-da!
These chocolate ones are nicely decorated and most of the white chocolate did go all over the surface, so watch out for that if you do that. Let's give it a go, and also I use cacao powder and not cocoa powder, so we'll see what difference that made, if any. Again, I'm just going to have a quarter. Very slightly chocolatey on the colour. There's no lemon in this. This is a good one, nice and fluffy, much better with butter instead of oil. And for the ganache you can either use dark chocolate, white chocolate or milk chocolate, entirely up to you. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell button below. And if you have any suggestions for anything that you might like me to have a go at baking, please put them in the comments below. See you next time. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell button below.
What else is it going to be?